Good afternoon. Octa research says Metro Manila's weekly COVID-19 positivity rate has slightly increased. In a post on X, Octa research fellow Dr. Guido David says the region's positivity rate is now at 24.8% as of December 26. That figure is slightly up from 22% last December 19. The positivity rate pertains to the number of individuals who test positive for COVID-19 out of all those who have been examined for the disease. In a separate post, David says the region could also record about 250 to 350 new infections on December 28. David earlier pointed out that COVID-19 infections in the region seem to be peaking as per projections. He then warned that infections are likely to spread to other provinces. Earlier, Health Secretary Teodoro Herbosa said the slightly uptick in COVID-19 cases has not yet reached an alarming rate, adding that masking is still optional and not mandatory. North Korean leader Kim Jong-Un is urging his party to accelerate war preparations, including its nuclear program. Pyongyang's official Korean Central News Agency reports that Kim asked his party to further accelerate war preparations across sectors, including nuclear weapons and civil defense. He also stressed that the military situation in the Korean Peninsula had become extreme due to unprecedented anti-North confrontations with Washington. The comments came just a week after Kim warned Pyongyang would not hesitate to launch a nuclear attack if provoked with nukes. The North has previously described the deployment of Washington's strategic weapons, such as B-52 bombers in joint drills on the Korean Peninsula, as an intentional nuclear war provocative moves of the U.S. Meanwhile, Seoul, Tokyo, and Washington have ramped up defense cooperation and recently activated a system to share real-time data on North Korean missile launches. Firefly and Gomburza win big at the 49th Metro Manila Film Festival Gabi ng Parangal. The MMFF committee on Wednesday recognized the best among 10 competing film entries, which was held at the New Frontier Theater in Quezon City. Cedric Juan and Vilma Santos won the Best Actor and Best Actress awards for their performance in Gomburza and When I Met You in Tokyo. The Best Picture award went to Zig Dulay's Firefly. Gomburza bagged the second Best Picture. Malyari ranked third, while When I Met You in Tokyo placed fourth. Pepe Jokno of Gomburza also won Best Director. Here's the latest roundup of today's top stories. Octa research says COVID-19 positivity rate in Metro Manila slightly increased. North Korean leader Kim Jong-Un calls for accelerated war preparations. And Firefly and Gomburza win big at the 49th Metro Manila Film Festival Gabi ng Parangal. These are the stories you need to know today. I am Danica Landicho. Follow INQUIRER.net on Facebook, X, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Reddit. For more stories, visit INQUIRER.net.